Hi guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to switch your account in Clash Royale. First, you need to head inside the game and then log in. After logging in, you will see this battle interface, and on the top right corner of the battle interface, you will see this hamburger icon. I want you to click this icon since it will open every single tab that you can choose from. But for this video, we are just switching our Clash Royale account. So in order to do that, you need to click the icon beside the Supercell ID. After clicking this, you will see all the available Supercell ID or games in your Clash Royale. So in order to switch, you just need to select the account that you want to use by doing this. And then as you can see, it will automatically load our Clash Royale account on the Switch account. And that's how you can switch your account in Clash Royale, and thank you for listening.